Hello, and welcome back to Miles Smiles, and today we'll be continuing the Freddy Fazbear costume. So today we're going to be working down on the waist today. Also, look what I got. But before we begin, I'm going to get some better lighting first. So I'm going to start by measuring from this point to this point, so then we can get the measurements for how big I want the waist to be. So I don't recommend eyeballing it, but it's what I'm going to do, so if this costume ends up being weird, you know why. Okay, so for this, I just glued 2 pieces after measuring my waist. So I added about 2 inches to this piece, so it will be a little bigger. So I'm going to wrap this around my waist and then just cut from there if there's any excess space. And I put this little piece of cardboard here just to hold these 2 pieces together better. Look how much hot glue I used just to do the waist. That's a lot. Okay, so I cut it out for this like T looking shape, and so I'm doing the same for the back right now. And so what's going to happen is that this right here is going to line up with this and then come together like something like that. All right, we got the shape down. I think it looks pretty nice. Okay, so I did a little more carving. I just need to be a little more fat. I think the shape turned out pretty good. You see I got a square, and then I'm cutting it out to the shape of the waist, just to extend it out a little more on the front. Okay, so now that I got the shape down, I'm going to start smoothing it out on the edges more. Okay. That's a good distance. It's lining up good. Look like a big diaper baby. So I think I'm done with the waist now, so we're going to start carving down the body. So now that I got the shape, I'm going to carve so then it meshes into the back. I'm deciding to rip it off because it's uneven, and it would be so much easier just to work on it when it's completely off. So now it's time to start carving down the sides. So I think we should start with the shoulders and then move down to the sides. I put a very temporary piece of cardboard and glued it to these 2 sides just to temporarily hold it so I can cut these panels more precisely. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. Could use a bit of tweaking here and there, but overall, I think it looks nice.